Guys, what kind of mess we getting into today? I have no idea. My man said, come work on my mess. We're gonna work on this mess. See my man putting in work right there. We'll see y'all back in a minute. Y'all know when I say mess, it's involving everything in these boxes. We've here got to set up a table for tools. We got a whole nother box full of mess. There's a little knot in the wire. We're gonna have to straighten it out. Should be fun. But I still don't know what we're putting on. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. I have finally finished figuring out what we're doing now that I done crawled on the floor. We're installing some emergency warning lights for fire calls in the rear. It's going to be up under the tailgate, right where Scott's got his hand.
Oh, we're mounting them on the sides too, and the front.
Oh,
everywhere.
We're mounting a whole lot of lights. This is going to be entertaining, guys. Somebody's going to bleed. I promise.
It's going to be.
All right, you can see Josh got holes drilled, pulling his wires through for his light. Scott pulling on the opposite side makes it a whole lot easier.
Once they get laid down on the job.
Hey, ain't nothing bad. We're laying down on the job. Try to as much as I can.
That's why y'all always get the dirty work. You have to lay down on the ground. Nope, only pull that one.
That one?
That one. Alright. Oh. Next wire coming in.
I don't want to get your hole big enough.
That's a whole lot of wire for one little light.
2 lights.
Is it a control unit?
Yeah.
Well, the light does multifunction. It does red, white, and steady burn white.
Alright.
Oh, it'll work as a reverse also?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Slowly pull all 3.
I'm trying.
All right, guys, we're putting in a air compressor up under the trailer. She's got a little weight to her. So we got to figure out what's going to be best. We want it as close to batteries in this box over here that I'm seeing seriously needs some underwork. You got a big hole in this box?
Yeah, so water can drain.
No, that would not be the water hole drain.
Water and electricity don't mix.
Uh-huh.
So it drains.
Yeah, okay.
Clear.
As long as you don't get too close
So,
to where you're
we'll try to get it wedged up in there. I'll lay you right here beside my head.
Now right here is something. Yeah, right there. There's not big.
That would have been nice, but that solenoid. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna drop it on me. Full string. Oh, yeah, that was almost my face.
Quality entertainment already.
It was almost my face.
I got my camera set somewhere good.
I got mine sitting straight under here.
Yeah, but you won't share that information with me.
Oh no,
Oh,
gosh, it's your camera's doing pretty good. It's got a nice shot from behind.
all right, guys. Between Josh and I both playing with it, we figured out where we want to put it. But because it's so heavy, I'm going to make a drill template out of cardboard to make it a lot easier to drill these holes. All you want to do is put your cardboard up there. Make sure you're holding it in the right spot. Cutting right along the edge. Find this edge.
Well, I'm trying to figure out which one to go.
Blue and yellow. There you go.
Now that we've got our size, find our holes.
Now let's screw that.
And we can widen this.
We're probably gonna need enough holes again.
One wearing gloves.
Once we get the slits cut. And this will allow us to hold this up
One thing.
to the metal and drill.
This might have a one thing too. Oh, you hold the one side while you did the one side and then shift over to use it.
So by having that, we've got what we need. Alright guys, when I was under here earlier and I had it in place, I made this mark so that you could see where I needed to put the piece. So it makes it easier to put the cardboard in place. So now, take our cardboard and line it up. It's a really tough shot to get for you guys, but and we're just gonna make some marks with our knife so we know where to drill. Now, two of these are gonna be near impossible to drill from underneath, so what we're probably gonna have to do is drill these top two, and we'll go up to the bed and drill it out so that we can use the same template. So we'll make a little mark that this was the end so that we know which one to lay. Alright guys, anytime you're drilling with metal, you always want to start with a pilot hole.
You always want to wear safety.
I don't know about the safety glasses thing, but we're definitely going to start with a pilot hole. Alright guys, kind of tough to see, but here's one hole right here. Here's our second hole. We're going to get our template and get this mess out the way and drill two more pilot holes.
Are they up here on the top?
Yeah, I think on the top there.
Like I told you before, you wanted a pilot hole, but also another trick to drilling metal is you definitely want to step your bits up. If you try to go with the big one right to begin with, you will fight and tear a bit all to pieces. Yeah.
You know I have a step bit, don't you?
Yeah, I hate that thing. Well, we got two extra drain holes in the trailer now because I drilled the wrong direction. So we are now re-drilling the proper holes, because we're not experts.
Alright, hold up.
Magnet.
Wrench.
On your belly.
Alright, stop.
All right, guys. After a lot of choice words, a few modifications.
Few bleeps. When we learn how.
She's in there. Next is the tank. This is going to give us the opportunity when we're out on the trails and the Jeep riders can air their tanks or air their tires back up after riding trails. Also help us with any flat tires, help your neighbor out, all kinds of stuff. Just one more great addition.